Hi, I'm Sarah from You Floral, and today I'm going to show you guys how to open up your roses. So when you get your roses from us, they're often going to be closed bud, kind of like this guy here. And that's because all our roses are super fresh, so it takes a couple days for them to open. But if you need to speed up the process, I'm going to show you how easily to open up your rose. So of course you need to care for your roses and prep them properly first, so make sure you watch my YouTube video about that. But obviously you guys have done that, so I'm going to just keep going on how to open these roses. So how you do that is you actually take your rose, turn it upside down, hands on either side, and then you're just going to kind of shimmy your hands back and forth like this, and just give it a nice sort of shake like this. And that's actually gonna open up your rose. So I'm kind of doing this a little bit aggressively, so don't worry about hurting your rose. And then I'm gonna lift it back up. You can see already how much it opened, and give it a little bit of a blow. And I'm gonna take my fingers and just kind of push it a little bit to kind of tease it open a little bit more. So this guy I think could use a little bit more shimmying, so I'm gonna turn it upside down and go back and forth like this. And you can already see how much bigger this rose is. And now it's ready to arrange with. So that's all that you need to do if you want to make your roses open up and you don't have time to wait. If you want to just be patient and you have some time, you can obviously do a little bit more natural way, which is give them a fresh cut so they can uptake water. Put them in a warm, sunny area, obviously not where it's like blaring sun, but that will help them open up naturally. But if you need to just get them open in a hurry, upside down, shimmy and shake, give them a blow, and they will open up nicely. Hopefully you learned something. Thanks for watching.